Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are offering a 2008 Big Dog Ridgeback motorcycle. It's got a big motor in it. It's got a 117-inch with a 6-speed S&S motor. What we've done to the motorcycle is we've changed the transmission bearing in it. That was a little on the noisy side. We put a new regulator rectifier on it, new battery, cleaned the carburetor. It has very low mileage on it, so it hasn't been ridden much. We got this from the original owner that paid $30-some thousand for this back in the day, original owner, and he just didn't ride it. And a friend of ours has a moving and storage place that moved him, and he decided it was time to let loose of it. So we were selling this for our friend that owns the company, but the title is in our company name. I want to go over a few things. The chrome's not perfect on it. The chrome is not perfect, and on the lower legs it's not. If we walk around it a little bit, we can see there's a little bit of flaking starting right here. There's a little chrome coming off the side stand here. You might find other small pieces, I'm not sure. Oh, on the starter motor here, little chrome coming off there. But all in all, this is a cool bike, really cool. So I've never fooled with this before. We're only selling it for a customer, so I'm going to try to figure all this out. So here's the ignition switch on it. I know the choke is over there. So this is obviously the fuel valve. So this is probably reserve here if it's a Pingle, which I believe it is. So we're going to turn it on right there. Now this bike has 2,135 miles. Not a whole lot of time. So we're going to try to start this up. I'm going to put the choke on over here. I'm going to wiggle it a little bit, get some gas in it, and see what happens. This has not been started in some time. and runs. So our parking lot's kind of crowded today, so I didn't get a chance to open it up or nothing. I'll probably take it out on the road tonight, put a little bit of time in it, make sure there's no bugs in it and stuff. But it's something you got to get used to. This is not a bike that I am used to, but I think everything works. And I'm telling you, it runs like a bat out of nowhere. It's fast, I can tell. So good luck. Possible low-cost shipping available on request. And this bike is being sold at no reserve on BAT. All right, thanks. A few things about the bike. All the wires are hidden inside the handlebars, which is totally cool. It needs a nice detail job. This bike could be mint. All this aluminum could be polished out really nice. And it's got the S&S heads on it and everything, S&S motor. And it's got some oomph. I mean, it's got some oomph. Tires are fair. Like I say, a nice 5-10 hour cleanup. This bike could be nice. Very nice. I really don't see anything wrong with it at all. Like I say, it's only got 2,000 and some miles on it. It's a bike you kind of got to get used to riding, because you don't just turn them like a short bike. You got to, the more you ride it, the better you'll get at it. Or what a nice nostalgia thing for a display, or a nice bar hopper, or nice ride. Actually, the seat is comfortable. It wouldn't hurt to be a little bit taller than me. I'm 5'5". So if you're a little bit taller than me, it might be a little more comfortable, because the forward controls are out there. I mean, I can still ride it, but I'm just saying the forward controls are out there. So anyway, good luck. And like I say, possible low-cost shipping available. And it's also one thing I want to talk about. It's got Supertrapp pipes on it. I mean, there's some high dollar parts on this motorcycle, and it's never been in an accident before, so this is a pretty cool piece. Okay, well, thanks for looking.